may tropa ka kung sa bisyo. Paano mo siya tutulungan nang hindi siya tinatalikuran? What's up? I'm Scout Rules, and today I will be answering some tanong pang tropa. Let's go!
Pare, ano ba yung girlfriend mo?
It's plano magtropa based on a real life situation. Actually, hindi naman sobra sa based on a real life situation, pero it was inspired by an actual encounter I had with one of my guy friends. Yung story sa kwento is hindi talaga true story. What's your ideal night out kasama ang tropa? My ideal night out kasama ang tropa is a very late night. Let's say 1 a.m. and I want it to be in a cafe, and then we're just eating pastries and drinking coffee and talking whatever the fuck we want to talk about. That's my ideal night out kasama ang tropa. You also released a song called Watermelon Shake. What's the best watermelon shake recipe? I like to keep everything simple. I like to keep it simple. So I'm gonna say the best watermelon shake recipe is definitely just watermelon, fresh watermelon, ice, and a bunch of condensed milk. I mean evaporated milk. I must for your lalaking my girl best friend. Mama's boy. Mas madali sila i-manage. Kumbaga, di ba? Compared dun sa mga with girl best friends. Worst tropa experience you've ever had? Wow! So, ganito yun. I had a tropa na they were a one-upper. Not good to be with. Whenever I would speak about my achievements, they would always lie to one-up me. Like, for example, may 1K ako dito. Sasabihin ko yun ha. Kunyari, for example, may 1K ako dito. Tapos siya, mag-chime in siya. Tapos magsasabi siya ng, ay, sana all. Ako kasi, 10K lang yung nandito sa akin. Putang ina mo. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, that's my worst experience. Who are some of your inspirations for the song? If I were to name drop a name, I would say Have Abby. Pero Planong Magtropa is mostly inspired by the the hyper-masculine rap songs that you hear on, those Spotify editorial playlists. So, yeah. What's your favorite line in the song? Buti na lang may tropa ako, masarap pagpupad. I like to add a little bit of shock value every now and then, so that's definitely the shock value line of this song. What makes a good tropa circle? For me, I think honesty and integrity is definitely what makes a good tropa circle. As long as that's the root of your friendshipness, nothing can stop you guys. Best tropa full side. Siguro for a feminine-dominated tropa circle, I would say twin. I don't know why, but I love saying twins as of the moment. That's like one of the things I like to call people is twin, even though they're not my twin. For a more masculine tropa dominated circle, I would say, bro, you can never go wrong with the classic bro. Best experience kasama ang tropa. Actually, I don't know. It takes a lot for me to consider something as best. So I don't know. I mean, I did have that one experience where this one guy friend and I kind of did the deed. But I guess that's it. Yeah, that's that one experience probably. Tropa or jowa? I don't really wanna fall in love right now, so I'm gonna pick tropa. What would you do if pinagbawalan ka ng jowa mo, gumala kasama ang tropa mo? Wow! Ang gagawin ko is, tatali ko siya sa kama. Tapos, shut him up. And then, iwan ko siyang nakatali sa kama, tapos alis kami ng tropa ko. Anong gagawin mo kung lumapit sa'yo isa sa tropa mo? Kala mo ikikiss ka, tapos may inabot ng pala sa... Oh my God, okay. Tutuloy ko pa rin, syempre. Balikan na rin, andyan na yung chance eh. You never know what's gonna happen. So, yeah. Sinabi sa'yo ng tropa mo na may nararamdaman siya sa'yo. Pero red flag siya. Anong gagawin mo? Ganito yun. Mahilig naman din ako sa spicy chicken. So, I guess I'd say, no, patunayan mo sa akin. Gusto mo talaga ako. Tapos, we'll see how things work out. Ano ang role mo sa circle of friends mo? Not to be like, full of myself or something, but my role in a lot of my circles are ako yung leader. Bale, funny story, one time I got in trouble, tapos nadama yung buong circle ko. Kasi syempre nga, ako yung leader, ako yung pasimuno ng law. So yeah, I guess I would say I'm the leader of the bunch. Ano ang nagpapasaya sa grupo nyo tuwing magkasama kayo? One common thing that a lot of people bond over is, I guess, chismis naman. Who doesn't love chismis, you know? Paano nasusubukan ang tunay na pagkakaibigan sa mga tropa? Yung sinabi ko kanina na honesty and integrity, yeah, that plays a really big role in everything actually. So, basta may ganun kayo, okay na yan. May bagong salta na gusto makisali sa tropa. Paano mo malalaman na swak siya sa grupo? I-hazing namin siya. What could go wrong with a little hazing ritual? No, just kidding. Ipali namin siya for a while. Tapos tingnan namin kung paano siya makikivibe. If kaya niyang makisunod. May tropa ka talulong sa bisyo. Paano mo siya tutulungan nang hindi siya tinatalikuran? That's something na responsibility na niya yun. Kung malulong siya sa bisyo, responsibility niya yun na tulungan ng sarili niya, kumbaga. So I think, ang gagawin ko lang is magiging nandun para sa kanya at hindi siya kukonsintihin. Ikukonsinti mo ba ang isa sa iyong tropa kapag nagloko siya sa jowa niya? It depends. I mean, it depends on the situation. I have some tropas na yung mga jowa nila is... So, kung pag ganon, syempre, tulungan ko pa nga sila. Pero kung yung healthy relationship naman sila, tapos okay naman yung jowa nila, you know, syempre, hindi ko concentrate yun. Next is, trotropahin o jojoain?
Jack Roberto.
Trotropahin na.
Joshua Garcia.
Trotropahin.
Kelvin Miranda.
Jojoain.
Yeah. Louise Partridge.
Trotropahin. Ayokong agawan si Olivia.
Shrek.
Jojoain.
Moto.
Trotropahin.
Patrick Bernardino.
Trotropahin. Sino?
Patrick Bernardino.
Peter.
Anthony Jennings.
Trotropahin.
Rico Blanco.
I don't even really know him like that either.
Seloso at possessive na lalaki.
Kakantutin.
Lalaking naninigarilyo.
Jojoain.
Lalaki na overly friendly sa lahat.
Actually, I think they make a good couple. Jojoain.
Alpha man.
Jojoain, siyempre.
Omega man.
Trotropahin, siyempre.
Shy type.
Trauma na ako dyan. Trotropahin na lang.
Kupal type.
Trotropahin. Fuck that, bro.
Beef steak.
Trotropahin.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Jojoain. Oh my God. I fucking love bacon.
Milk tea.
Jojoain. Kakasalan.
Dubai chocolate matcha labubu.
I don't even like labubus. Honestly, I don't get the craze. Trotropahin. That's it. Thank you for watching mga tanong pang tropa. Planong magtropa out now on all platforms. Please go listen to it. I'm releasing a mixtape sometime this year. So, yeah, go listen to it. Bye.
Hanap.
Putang ina, ang init nga,
Parehas naman tayong lalaki.
Ang sakit na na
Ingay mo ba eh? Mamatay? Lobat na ba?
Hindi. Nakacharge ko.
Okay. Sabihin ko to lahat yung tatrapahin tapos pababa.
Oo.
Siyempre, hintayin mo ako magsagot.
Baka kasi nag-overheat.